who's doing some work. And now it looks even more beautiful. You've got green paddy fields and you've got one person working there. You know, he's in awe of the nature and he starts walking towards this farmer. When he goes very close to him, the farmer is busy working. He has no clue what's happening. And when he becomes very, very close to the farmer just realizes there's someone around, so he looks around and looks up and he sees Lord Buddha. And he is taken aback. He's like, oh my God, the Buddha himself has walked on my fields. Am I blessed? So he kneels down and bows down and looks up to him and says, oh Lord, what can I do for you? So Lord Buddha finds this very intriguing and says, can I ask you a question? So the farmer says, yes. So what were you doing? So the farmer hesitantly says, oh, I'm growing crops. That's what I'm doing. So Lord Buddha looks at him and says, so you're growing crops? So the farmer says, yeah, I'm growing crops. So Lord Buddha looks at him and gives him a deep smile and says, so you are growing crops? So the farmer's a little confused. He says, I think I'm growing crops. So Lord Buddha looks at him again and says, so you are growing crops? So the farmer says, no, the crops grow on their own. I'm a farmer. I can till the soil, I can put some water, I can put some manure, but the crops grow on their own. Children grow on their own. You and I, we have a role to play. Water is very good, but I don't put too much water. I have a role as a teacher, as a parent, but remember, children grow on their own. Thank you very much. I wanted to show you a film, but it's really late, so I'll leave that for another time. Do we have the time for it? Sorry, if you have any questions, I'll take that, definitely. Yes. Now, thankfully, the attention span, if it's created well, if it is not interesting, they can't last for more than 2 or 3 minutes. But if you create something that's interesting, and even within the film, we consciously try and bring in variations. For example, if I'm teaching in a classroom, after 5 or 7 minutes, I need to try and bring a variation with the manner I'm teaching, right? And the variations could come in by giving another example, right? Or using an audiovisual aid. Try and bring in a variation. Have you seen music? If it's just the same flat one, it gets boring. So what you do is you bring in variations. So as teachers, we need to try and bring in variations. For example, while I'm teaching, I just ask you a question, that's a variation. I make somebody stand up, somebody else talking is a variation to the monotony. So yes, there is a variations which naturally teachers do and have done in the past, but I think it's just our children need that a little more. And thankfully today we've got a lot more ways of bringing in those variations. By bringing in examples through the, you can actually go prepared with a lot of stuff inside the classroom, audiovisual, audio, film clips, lots of things that can be taken into a classroom and made it more exciting. And by the way, one of the things that we've lost out as an art form is storytelling itself. And one of the things I know, if there's anything that you guys are going to remember from the lecture, is going to be the stories which I told you of my granddad or Lord Buddha. Yes or no? And it's so simple, it's age old, and yet it's so powerful. I hope I answered that question, ma'am. Cool. Is there any other question? Yeah, I think it's lunchtime, I understand. Cool. The film is 15 minutes. If you're fine with it, I can show it. Are you all okay with it? Yes. Sure? Perfect. Then I'd love to show it. So let me... Where is it? Okay. So you would want to watch... I'm going to be showing you... Teach us film. I'll show you a children's film actually. The focus is on one of the relevant issues in our society. And this film won the national award. Incidentally, on Wednesday, I'll be receiving my 6th National Film Award from the President of India. And never thought that these films would do so well. I think the reason why our films are made so well because everyone associated with it, right from my research team to all my filmmakers, even the spot boys and even the cameramen, everyone puts in their heart while making these films. Because normally, whenever they're working, they're making cinema to entertain people. Over here, they're making cinema, and everyone knows that children in school are going to watch this. And I think it's just the intent with which the films are made makes it so much more different. So we made this issue because it's a real issue. All of us in our lives, every one of us almost have seen this issue, and we face this. And at the end of which, I'll tell you, it's a 15-minute film. And can I get some volume, please? Can I get some volume on the laptop? I'm not getting it. It's not given the. I'm going to run it with this volume itself. ये कम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? ये काम पे नहीं।
साहब हमको तो इक्को को पैसों नहीं दिए साहब। 35 साल से वहाँ रह रहे थे साहब। बोले कि तुम्हारा घर नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास कोई कागज नहीं है। बोले कि 7 दिन में घर खाली कर दो। सब बर्तनों उठा के फेंक दिए साहब हम लोग का।
ट्रेन बनाने के लिए हमें हटाते हैं, डैम बनाने के लिए हमें हटाते हैं, हमें बनाने के लिए हम ही को हटा देते हैं। हमारी ज़मीन से हम ही को हकाल रहे हैं और कहते हैं कि सरकार की ज़मीन है। अब बताइए साहब, कल को सरकार कहेगी कि घर उनका है तो आपको ये घर खाली करना पड़ेगा। ये सही है? और कहेगी सरकार हमारे लिए कर रही है, हैं?
इसीलिए तो लाली को यहाँ छोड़ रहे हैं साहब। इसके सिर पे छत रहेगा, थोड़ा पैसा भी आ जाएगा साहब। हमारा क्या है साहब, हम दोनों तो कहीं भी चले जाएंगे।
हमारा घर वैसे छोटा है, 3 कमरे हैं। इसे छोटा मोटा काम दे देंगे, हल्का। और 1000 रुपये महीना दे देंगे आपको, ठीक है?
देखिए आप लाली की चिंता बिल्कुल मत कीजिएगा। हम उसकी अच्छी तरह से देखभाल करेंगे। क्यों बेटा, रहोगी ना हमारे साथ?
daily grilled sandwich.
बच्चों अब्दुल्लापुर वाले कंकर खेलने वाले सारे बच्चे देखो मैंने कुणाल को हक किया है अब आप मुझे मत करना
क्या करती है?
सर मैं
लाली, मेरे लिए एक गर्मा गर्म अदरक वाली कड़क चाय बना के लेके आना, उसके साथ एक बढ़िया सा ऑमलेट।
आमलेट?
क्या हुआ बेटा, नहीं आता बनाना? बहुत आसान है। एक अंडा लेना, तोड़ना, थोड़ा सा नमक, थोड़ी सी हरी मिर्च और थोड़ा सा प्याज, और उसे फेंटना, थोड़ा सा तेल डालना, गैस पे डालना, और वो अंडा उसके अंदर। नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, चाय और बिस्किट्स ले आओ मेरे लिए, हैं? You know what, Site? Maybe this time we'll be lucky. The girl will stay on.
I seriously hope so. Oh, it's so difficult to find help in this city anymore.
तुम्हें याद है जब वो आई थी? She would cry when asked her to eat. She would cry when asked her to sleep. She would cry even when told to watch television.
I really thought we'll have to send her back to her parents. I was getting prepared mentally, literally. But this city has worked its magic on her.
Yes. Ah, chai. आओ बेटा. Very good.
आराम से.
क्या देख रही हो?
टीवी।
She's become quite a TV addict. Huh?
And smart too.
How do you know that?
Didn't you notice? उसको बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. 2 कप चाय ले आई, एक भैया के लिए, एक भाभी के लिए.
My dear, there's a lot of my hard work gone into training her. Don't you think she looks so much better now?
Just think of it, Sita. How terrible this poverty is. This small little girl has to work in other people's homes. Aren't we the privileged class? We have a nice apartment. We go for holidays twice a year. My daughter goes to a fancy school. How much do you think we spend on her? More than we spend on Lali. And this little girl is the sole breadwinner of her family. Blame it on the economic system or the political system. This house of cards will fall one day.
What will fall, Dad?
Well, actually, I was telling your mom that if I don't get lunch at this moment, I'm going to fall.
Dad, stop joking. Tell me what will fall.
Arey, I'm telling, see, there's such a huge economic divide
Yeah.
that it will all fall one day. 70% of the people live under the poverty line.
Yeah.
20% eat pulao and mutton curry. Does that make any sense?
And that too ₹32 per day. That's the new poverty line.
And then there are some people who give $1 million yacht to their wives on their birthdays, you know.
And then there is you, who doesn't even remember my birthday.
Of course I remember your birthday. It comes every leap year, doesn't it?
Look at that.
You know, Sita, I have decided to give you a yacht on your birthday, but I don't know which birthday it will be.
Dad, just imagine if you were the man who earned ₹32 per day and wanted to surprise his wife by gifting a yacht. Imagine how long will it take you to do so?
First of all, let me tell you that I am that man.
Oh, Dad, come on.
And you think I earn more than that?
Very, very, very silly conversation.
Come on.
By the way, I must tell you this. You know, our school has started a new campaign, Bring About Change.
Oh, that's very good.
Yes, and I have chosen the topic, Each One, Teach One.
And where are you going to get your pupil from, may I know?
Right here. It'll be Lali.
Mithi, you're in the 9th standard. If you take it easy in the beginning of the term, you lose a year, dear.
Mom, it will just take an hour of my time.
Are you going to get additional marks for it?
No, I won't get any additional marks for this. But yeah, the school will award us with a certificate.
I don't see the point if there are no marks. And how will the school know that you've taught a student?
They will examine us, simple.
They will examine us. Simple.
Oh God, you two. Come and have lunch.
Coming, coming.
लाली तुम पढ़ोगी क्या मेरे साथ? मैं तुम्हें सब पढ़ाऊंगी, 1 2 3 4 ABCD, बहुत सिंपल है और बहुत मजा भी आएगा। लाली, लाली, लाली बोलो ना प्लीज, मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ पढ़ाऊंगी। लाली, तुम क्यों नहीं पढ़ना चाहती?
दीदी अगर मैं पढ़ूंगी तो ये सब काम कौन करेगा? देखो कितना सारा काम है। अच्छा सुनो, आप पढ़ो, मैं आपको पढ़ते हुए देखती हूँ।
That's not the point, लाली। अगर तुम पढ़ लोगी ना तो तुम्हें ये सारा काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सच्ची। लाली, That's 1, एक। That's 2, 2। लाली, That's 3, 1 2।
अब बता कितना हुआ?
तुझसे है फासला, क्या है तेरा फैसला कि मंजिल नई नई सी कहीं है। तुझसे है फासला, क्या है तेरा फैसला कि मंजिल नई नई सी कहीं है। तुझसे है फासला, छू ले आसमां तू, जी ले ये समा तू, चुन ले ये जहां तू, सुन ले तू दिल की बातें, छू ले आसमां तू, जी ले ये समा तू, चुन ले ये जहां तू, सुन तुझसे है फासला, क्या है तेरा फैसला कि मंजिल नई नई सी कहीं है। तुझसे है फासला, छू ले आसमां तू, जी ले ये समा तू, चुन ले ये जहां तू, सुन
लाली, एक कप चाय लेके आना मेरे लिए।
यस भैया, प्लस माइनस खत्म करके लाती हूँ।
अगर तुम 5 मिनट के बाद अपना सम्स करोगी तो दुनिया खत्म नहीं हो जाएगी। पहले मुझे चाय ला के दो। सुनो, कुछ नाश्ते के लिए किया है क्या?
जब मीठी दीदी वापस आएंगे ना तो मैं पोहा बना दूंगी।
पोहा? कुछ और नहीं है? कुछ चटपटा मजेदार?
भैया आप टोस्ट खाएंगे? मैंने वो भी बनाना सीख लिया है।
अच्छा, और क्या क्या सीखा है?
दाल को तड़का लगाना, बैगन का भरता बनाना, प्लस करना, माइनस करना, मिनट्स करना, डस्टिंग करके चीजें वापस रखना, सेंटेंस बनाना, ऑमलेट बनाना।
बस बस, तुमने तो बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है। लेकिन आज तुमने एक गलती की।
व्हाट?
व्हाट? इंग्लिश भी बोलने आ गई तुम्हें। मैंने तुमसे क्या कहा था? मुझे हर 1 घंटे में 1 कप चाय चाहिए, है ना? अब टाइम देख लो और सीधे 1 घंटे के बाद मुझे एक गरम कप चाय लेके आना। और सुनो, गरम चाय के साथ ना तले हुए मिर्च के पकौड़े भी आ जाए तो बहुत अच्छा होगा।
वो तो मुझे बनाने नहीं आते।
अरे मैंने कब कहा तुम्हें बनाने के लिए? वो बगल की दुकान से ले आओ ना। पता है ना कौन सी दुकान?
हाँ, चाय स्टॉल के बगल वाली।
अरे आजकल के बच्चे भी।
Dad, why did you send Lali to the shop?
Why? What's wrong with that?
She hasn't yet finished her sums.
She can do it later.
When will I give her today's task then?
Give it to her in the evening, na beta.
Papa, I have to teach her English in the evening. How will she progress if she slacks like this in her studies?
Listen, she studied enough and stopped going overboard with her education, because of which your marks are going down. Do you understand that?
That's because I had fever, Papa.
Listen, stop giving me excuses, please. You've done very, very well with fever earlier as well. Let her study at her own pace. And how many children in her circumstances can learn as much as her?
They don't learn because they do not get a chance.
And why don't they get a chance?
Because they are poor.
Exactly, that is my point. Remember that. They have to earn their daily bread. They can't afford the luxury of an education.
Dad, education is not a luxury, it's a necessity.
Listen, Mitty, I don't want to get into an argument. This is a very complex social issue.
So please try and explaining it to me.
Sit down. A is overpopulation. B is unemployment. C is poverty. And D is illiteracy. Overpopulation leads to unemployment. Why? Because limited number of jobs, too many people. Unemployment leads to poverty, no money. Poverty leads to illiteracy, which leads in turn to overpopulation. It's a vicious circle. Do you understand that now?
So why can't we break this vicious circle, Dad? Why can't we create more job opportunities for all these people?
What is going to happen if you create more job opportunities?
Dad!
You think they're up for grabs, up for sale? No. There is this class in society which doesn't allow them to walk through those doors. They don't want them to rise.
So Dad, who are these people? Who are these exploiters? Are they you, me, Mom? Are we the exploiters?
Mitty, how can we be the exploiters, for
Then
heaven's
who
sake?
are they?
They are the rich and the famous, the very, very rich. They stay in their own bubble. We are just the people in between. We are the petty middle class.
Petty middle class.
Yes, we are the petty middle class. Don't we try to help them? Aren't you helping Lali study? Don't we also give charity to the NGOs? What is all that if we were the exploiters?
Charity only reduces the problem. It's not the solution to it.
This is all we can do, Mitty. There is nothing more that we can do. Development is a very, very slow process. It will take its time. One has to sacrifice.
But who sacrifices and for whom, Dad? And why only the poorest of the lot like Lali has to sacrifice?
That is not true. There is a huge divide between the rich and the poor. The poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. But the gap will decrease slowly. Haven't you heard of the trickle-down theory? If there is development, there will be growth. But this growth will have to flow from the top to the bottom. It's going to take its time. It is a slow process.
Sure. Take it from the poor and give it to the rich. And then watch slowly how much it trickles down to the poor. Dad, can't we do something? Can't at least we make an effort, even if it's not the most convenient thing to do? Can't we address them?
Mitty, enough is enough. I've had enough of this for today. Please, will you go and sit and study?
The helpless middle class.
Hey, I'm home. What happened? Why are you looking so glum? Some trouble in the office?
Go pamper your daughter more. Go.
Why? What did she do?
She took Lali to school today to show her teacher how her literacy project was progressing.
So?
Everyone was impressed with Lali's intelligence.
But that's very good, no, Sita? Give credit to Mitty.
I would, Raj. Of course I would. If she stopped at that. But she wants to send Lali to school. The nuns are opening some kind of free education center for the poor, and she wants to enroll Lali there. I told her it's very difficult to get a maid nowadays. You know what she said?
What?
She said Lali is very, very intelligent, so she does not need to do housework.
Nonsense. Then who's going to do the work?
Hire someone else, she said. Lali is going to go to school.
Okay, listen, Sita. Everything will be fine. I'll speak to Miti about it.
It's no use, Raj. Her mind is set to it. It's her goal to educate Lali. After all, the poor in India have to be a part of shining India. How can we be a hindrance to that? Why can't the Rajas and Sitas of the world educate at least one Lali?
Something will be done. Who knew that Miti would get so carried away?
Raj, I think I have to talk frankly to Lali. She's got to understand this. I mean, Miti is a kid, she's stubborn. But Lali should understand.
Sita, there must be some other way to tackle this problem.
Yeah, of course there is. I come back from office every day and toil in the kitchen while my maid gets an education. I come back from office every day and toil in the kitchen while my maid gets an education.
But who sacrifices and for whom, Dad? And why only the poorest of the lot like Lali has to sacrifice? Can't we do something? Can't at least we make an effort, even if it's not the most convenient thing to do?